Consider adding integrated sink workstation accessories to a big family house kitchen to dramatically speed prep and cleanup. Start by planning for a full sink workstation that includes a sliding cutting board set to fit over the sink bowl, a rollaway drying rack that sits above the sink, a set of nested colanders that clip to the rim, an integrated drain board with a gentle slope toward the drain, and removable dish drying mats designed to drain directly into the sink. Measure the sink length and depth and select accessories sized so they rest securely without wobble while allowing faucet reach and sprayer use. Choose materials that tolerate heat and moisture, such as tight-grained hardwood for cutting boards with food-safe oil finish, stainless steel for racks and colanders, and silicone for mats so they flex for easy removal and cleaning. Install the integrated drain board with a recessed channel or subtle pitch so water runs into the sink and not onto the countertop, sealing joints with a flexible waterproof sealant to prevent water intrusion. For sliding cutting boards, prefer a guided rail or low friction runners so the board glides smoothly but locks in place when you apply pressure. For drying racks and colanders, choose collapsible or nesting designs to store out of sight. Test them under actual load with pots and large bowls to confirm stability. Maintain all accessories by rinsing immediately after use, sanitizing cutting boards with diluted vinegar or brief salt and lemon scrubs for wood, and allowing silicone and stainless pieces to air dry fully to prevent odor and corrosion. Homeowners commonly pick accessories that are too small for their tasks, which forces extra handling and defeats the time savings. The fix is to measure your typical pots, pans, and produce and choose pieces that accommodate the largest items you use daily. Another frequent issue is installing the drain board or rails without adequate slope or sealing, so water pools and causes swelling or mildew. Ensure a clear slope toward the drain and use a compatible, flexible sealant and periodic inspection. A third concern is mixing incompatible materials such as untreated wood next to metal that can trap moisture and corrode. Use match materials or create a barrier and remove and dry components after each heavy use to keep everything lasting longer. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners discover sink workstation ideas and find trusted local contractors for large family house kitchen projects. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and we host an active discussion community where members share measurements, product links, installation tips, and before and after photos.